Is your transmission acting like it has a mind of its own lately? If your check engine light just popped on and you found the code P0773, your vehicle is trying to tell you there is an electrical issue within the Shift Solenoid E circuit. This is a generic transmission diagnostic trouble code that applies to most modern vehicles equipped with an automatic transmission. Inside your transmission, the powertrain control module uses these solenoids as electronic gatekeepers to manage the movement of fluid between various hydraulic circuits. By opening and closing valves in the valve body, these solenoids allow transmission fluid to flow to the internal clutches and bands, which is what actually changes your gear ratio at the exact right moment. The whole goal of this process is to maximize your engine performance while keeping your ARPM as low as possible for better fuel economy. When the P0773 detects an electrical malfunction in the Shift Solenoid E, it triggers this code. You might start noticing your transmission slipping, overheating, or even getting caught in a specific gear. Sometimes it feels like an engine misfire, or your car might suddenly enter limp mode to protect the internal components. You will definitely see the check engine light, and if you have an overdrive warning lamp, that will likely be blinking too. The common causes for this range from simple things like a low fluid level or dirty, contaminated fluid to more serious issues like a clogged transmission filter or a defective valve body. In many cases, it is actually just a faulty shift solenoid or damaged wiring that has been burnt or rubbed raw over thousands of miles of driving. To fix this, you should first check your transmission fluid level and smell it to see if it has a burnt odor. If the fluid is clean, you need to do a thorough visual inspection of the wiring harness and connectors leading to the transmission to look for corrosion or loose pins. For a deeper look, you can use a digital multimeter to check for continuity, where you should ideally see 0 ohms of resistance. If the wiring is solid, you might need to replace the solenoid or the entire valve body. While this issue usually starts as a moderate problem, it can turn into a total transmission failure very quickly if you keep driving on it. You should get this checked by a professional as soon as you feel any abnormal shifting to avoid a much more expensive repair down the road. Keep your transmission healthy, and it will keep you moving smoothly across the miles.